Hey there, if you're aiming to keep your Fortnite party private but unsure how to do it, fret not. In this brief guide, I'm going to be showing you the details on how to set up a private or invite-only party in Fortnite. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, launch Fortnite on your computer. Once the game is loaded, locate and click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Moving on, press on the profile icon once again. Following that, locate the party joinability option. By default, it should be set to friends. Now simply switch it to invite only. And congratulations, your party is now private. From this point forward, you'll need to keep our invites if you want people to join our party. No one's gaining access without an invite. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.